confident delivery. Okay, now confidence is a big thing, guys. It's really, really important. So I'm going to tell you about the number one thing that you need for confident delivery of a song. You've got to have confidence in your abilities that you can deliver the song up on stage. That's the main thing. If you want to do a really good job of it. You want to go and do karaoke, just have some fun, that's fine. See that girl that's holding that 15-minute sign up? Can security kick her out? Security. Okay, so you need to have confidence in your ability that one, you know all the lyrics, your voice can pull off what you're about to do up on stage. That's a really important thing because you never know who's going to be watching you up on stage. I've got numerous stories of bands playing Little Crap Holes. Tass Sultana, does anyone know Tass Sultana at all? Fantastic. She was busking a year and a half ago. She's now won how many Aries? 4 or something like that. You never know who's going to see you busking on the street and sign you, which pretty much is what happened to her. So have confidence in your abilities, your delivery, your voice, your lyrics, what you're going to be doing. This is a really big one, guys, okay? Self-awareness, okay? You've got to be self-aware. You've got to love yourself for who you are, what you are, your vocal abilities, and what you can and can't do, and accept that. You should just be lucky that you've got a voice, because some of you, there are people who haven't got voices, okay? So accept what you've got. Choose keys and songs that best suit your voice, but mainly do songs that you love singing. If the song's a strain, it's causing you grief, please do another song or change the key of the song. So even if you like a song, change the key of the song. So it's super important. Learn the song 110% inside out, back to front. Guys, practice, practice, practice. Doesn't matter what you want to do, whether you're a singer, whether you want to become a lawyer or a garbage collector. The more that you practice, the better that you're going to be at it. And the more that you practice or work hard at things in life, the more that you're going to get the rewards out of it. It's not just singing, it's everything in life. Start small. Perform in front of one person, 2 people, people that you feel comfortable with, family members, sing in church, open mic nights, karaoke nights. The world's your oyster. If you want to write your own songs, put stuff on YouTube. Everyone knows that's how Justin Bieber got discovered. He came 3rd in the singing competition, and whoever it is, Usher, one of Usher's people seen him, and that's the true story. That's how he got signed. There's lots of stories like that as well too. That's pretty much it for me, guys. Okay, so we're nearly finished. I think we've got nearly enough time to go and put some skills into place. But guys, please believe in yourself. Main thing, have fun singing. Okay, just have fun singing. Yep. 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 Memory retention happens in the first 24 hours, so you've got to do it every day. Every single day. You've got to practice it. No, every day. If you're not remembering lyrics, do it every day. And write it out. Write it out by hand, write it out, and then go through the first verse. So have the lyrics with Adele, sing with Adele. There's a fire starting in my heart, and then put it down. Stop Adele, sing it a cappella, first verse, whole thing. Put the lyrics down, try to go through that, and remember, if you didn't get it, go back and start again. The same thing with Adele, without the lyrics. Done, chorus. Same process every day. Got to happen every day. It's not going to happen. So if you're studying for an exam, it's within 24 hours that you've got to do that.